Alright, I'm back for another week of trading. I've started my new account, just like I said, a new funded account, and I started trading with it today. I have one swing trade that I'm doing right now on GBP USD, just for practice on a paper trade, and I'm going to show you that one. And in general, I took two trades today. Both were losers, sadly. On one of them, my stop loss was hit, and then like a few minutes later my take profit would have been hit. That was a little bit unfortunate. And then on the other trade on the PM session, I was like $200 in profit, like one hour pretty much in profit, and then price turned on me actually multiple times. Came back to my entry like two times and then went to 1 hour again, came back up again, and then stopped me out. But anyways, I'm gonna show it to you guys now. A little bit of an unlucky day. Yeah, I guess that's just my precision lacking. Let's start with the swing trade that I have with GBP/USD. I was initially thinking about taking this lower because we have been moving this entire month, or like for months pretty much. We've been just moving lower. So I took it as a continuation idea because we still have lows here to take. But it looks like we are entering a different direction for now. And after we broke so many highs here, I decided to enter long. And this is the current position right now. You don't see any numbers because I'm not on the account right now. I'm on the funded account right now. But I entered somewhere around here and it's currently in profit. It's looking not too bad, I'd say, for now. But let's get into what I traded today. I don't know if you guys saw it today, but over the night, NASDAQ and pretty much everything else related to stocks in the US dropped by a lot. I think it was about 4%, 4 to 5%, 1,000 points drop overnight pretty much. That was quite insane. So we had a very big gap going into the trading session, and my idea was whether to see if price was gonna react off of these inversion fair value gaps and if this smaller fair value gap here, or if we're gonna continue falling. And my idea was looking at all of these fair value gaps, especially this one because it's around the 0.25 level, and looking for price to turn around there, because usually price likes to turn at around 25% of retracement towards the new day opening gap. And that was pretty much my idea. So when price initially started to move higher into this 1 hour fair value gap from the first presented and then broke structure to the downside, I was looking to go short, but I just immediately got stopped out in one candle. And then right afterwards, price dropped lower and would have hit my take profit, or at least my first take profit, which would have been here. So yeah, that's a little unfortunate. But what can you do? I mean, it's a Monday. Guess I gotta be ready for these kind of things. And then on the next trade that I wanted to take, again with the same idea off of this 1 hour fair value gap, even though it traded above it on the 1 hour chart, you can see it still respected it, so it was still valid. And yeah, I decided to take a short here, but it never got filled. Ironically, the only trade on this day that would have been good didn't get filled. And I guess the other opportunity would have been to enter here. But I don't think I was at the charts at that point. And I only got into the charts around here. And then it didn't really give me a chance. I entered here for a second, but I exited out of it immediately pretty much because I just didn't like it anymore, really. And then, of course, price proceeded to go lower and hit take profit. And then for the final trade, for the PM session, I had the same idea again, that price was at least going to take out these lows here, because I'm kind of like bearish in general, because I mean, look at all this liquidity down here. Like, there's so much to take here. There's also stuff on the buy side, but it's so far away, and we just moved so far lower. So I was definitely inclined to go lower here. And I mean, price gave it, like price took all of these highs here and then broke lower. So I decided to enter there, and price started off with going lower and then just inversed everything, went lower again, inversed it again, and now it seems like it's going for these highs here. So Yeah, I guess bullish flag traders would have taken a pretty nice win here. You can look at this. This is where the breakout happens, retest and then higher. This is like peak retail trades, but I guess, yeah, I don't even know what to say, honestly. The only thing that's left to say is I'll return tomorrow, hope for better price and hope for better reaction on my case, better focus, and let's get funded again, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.